I'm Dr. Shah. I'm one of the consultants in reproductive medicine and surgery at the Homerton University Hospital in London. I also practice privately at the Fertility Plus. I'm going to give you a little short talk about the egg collection and the egg retrieval procedure in IVF. Egg retrieval procedure is one of the most important steps in the IVF process. It is actually the only surgical process that we need to put our patients through. Actually do some simulation processes where people can learn how to collect the eggs under ultrasound guidance. I would recommend that perhaps all doctors who learn to do their egg collections on patients should perhaps also practice a bit on these sims so they can get more confident and better at what they do. Thank you very much.